समावेश, एक नई शुरुआत, एक सफर जो आपको सिर्फ एक प्रोफेशनल नहीं बल्कि एक लीडर बनाता है। वेलकम टू द स्पेशल एपिसोड ऑफ HP Unplugged Frontliners. Today, we are exploring the incredible journey of our new officers, their dreams and their aspirations. Step into the vibrant world of HPCL is more than just joining a company. It's about becoming a part of legacy that fuels India's dream. And it all begins with Samavesh, our flagship induction program designed to ignite your passion, sharpen your skill, and immerse you in the dynamic work culture of HPCL. At Samavesh, you don't just learn, you evolve. The program kickstarts with a powerful overview of energy industry, providing you with insight into the HPCL's plays a pivotal role in shaping the nation's future. From there, you will dive into the strategic unit that define HPCL's operation, unraveling the inner working of Fortune 500 company that's always ahead of the curve. But it's not just about processes and numbers. It's about the people and purpose. At the heart of Samavesh lies a deep dive into HPCL's core values, integrity, innovation, teamwork, and sustainability. These aren't just words, but the compass that guide every decision we make. One of our most rewarding aspects of Samavesh is the chance to build lasting connections, whether it's bonding with peers, learning from mentors, or collaborating with industry leaders. The program ensures you are surrounded by a strong network that support your growth. You will walk away not just as an HPCL officer, but as a future-ready leader, equipped with the tools and confidence to tackle challenges heads-on. Our ultimate goal is to make sure you don't just work for HPCL. You live, you breathe, and thrive as a part of HP family. Samavesh is your stepping stone to a career filled with purpose, excitement, and endless possibilities. Officers, welcome to HP Unplugged Frontliners.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. So let's start by getting to know all of you better. Each one of you, please introduce yourself.
Hello Yogesh, myself Himanshu Meena. I am from Karoli, Rajasthan. I pursued my bachelor's in civil engineering from IIT Jammu.
Hello Yogesh, myself Mahima. I belong from Indore, cleaner city, you must be knowing.
Yeah.
And I have completed my mechanical engineering from Ahmedabad University, and then I have pursued my master's from IIT Indore.
Hello Yogesh, my name is Shah Nishad Khan. I am from Bahraich, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my bachelor's in electrical engineering from Aligarh Muslim University.
Okay, so we will start the interview. So, what was your initial reaction when you got the offer letter from HPCL?
So sir, basically when I got this mail of HPCL that I am got selected in HPCL, first I went to my mother that I am got selected. I asked her कि ये देखो किसका नाम है, and she don't know how to read, but still she told कि it's your name. And at that time she started crying and we hugged, and that was a moment when I feel कि I have done something.
That's nice.
For me, HPCL was a kind of savior. Like I was praying to God, ki give me something, give me something, give me something. And then suddenly when I got this mail, I was in some meeting or something. So I just stand up, I said, I'm going. And I called my parents, I told them that I became officer, HPCL officer. They were very happy. And like my mother just now went to God for offering some laddus and all.
So basically when I first received the mail, I was walking with my friends. So I showed him एक mail आया है. So at that time I couldn't believe it कि I've got selected as an officer in HPCL. So I said कि भाई देख सही है कि नहीं. So he said, this is authentic and it is true. You have become an officer in HPCL. So afterward, I make a call to my father. When I told him that result aa gaya hai, I'm officer now in HPCL. So he started crying a little bit emotional. So it was excited. I was excited a little bit.
गुड मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जो मेहनत करते हैं. So how was your experience during the induction program?
So sir, the induction program was very good. Like we got a chance to meet the higher authorities. Like in initial phase of our career, we got a chance to meet ED directors from all of the SBUs. That was a moment where you got to learn a lot of things from them. So it was a perfect program that guide us throughout our journey.
Okay. What about you, Mahima?
For me, this induction program was like being myself. Like I speak my heart out whenever I want. So the thing is that here I said, whenever I wanted to talk to someone, I straight away went to them. Like even it's about the HR persons here, or when the director sir came, whatever I wanted to tell them, whether to appreciate them, I did it fully. And I felt the induction program here was very smooth. The HR facilities, they made it very smooth for us, basically. So I loved it.
Okay.
So when I first saw that we have to come here in Pune for induction program, so I was curious कि कैसे होगा, कैसे सब कुछ होगा. So at first the onboarding process was very smooth. वही हमें परेशानी नहीं हुई. And afterwards we got to interact with different EDs. और एक mindset था हम लोगों का कि HPCL is basically a petrol company. पेट्रोल डीजल देती है. So in induction program we got to know of various initiative we are taking towards the green and various biofuels and various pipeline, SBO, different departments. So it was a great, amazing experience here. And also we HP got talent. So we got to show our talent, an opportunity, and also the field visit. This induction program make us feel like not an employee but a family of HPCL.
Okay. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you, and Samavesh is the learning platform for you, all of you guys. So what were some of the key takeaways from this Samavesh?
So for me personally, like I was a kind of a guy who never went on a stage and who have a stage fear. Also I have a camera fear also, but I am standing with you. So I performed as a anchor in HP's Got Talent. So that was the biggest takeaway for me, to overcome my fears and continuously learning.
For me, as he said, he was anchor. I was also anchoring in the same program, HP's Got Talent. So what I learned from there, ki you can do instantly whatever you want to do. Like if you got informed today also you have to do this, you can go on stage, you can do it confidently, and at then you will make it anyways. So from here I got the confidence ki at the moment I can do it. So this was my takeaway.
Nice.
So sir, I'm basically a shy person. So in HP Got Talent, I performed a shayari.
Okay.
So opening जो stage था वो मेरा ही था. I gave the shayari and also got a prize for it. So it was amazing sir.
तो आप वो शायरी सुना सकते हैं हमें?
शायरी तो एक ऐसी थी कि मोहब्बत पे है कि
बढ़िया.
जानते हुए भी अनजान बनती हो, जानते हुए भी अनजान बनती हो, इस तरह मुझे परेशान करती हो, पूछती हो तुम्हें क्या पसंद है, पूछती हो तुम्हें क्या पसंद है, जवाब खुद हो फिर भी सवाल करती.
क्या बात, क्या बात. बढ़िया बढ़िया शायन. हर सबक यहाँ एक मिसाल है, हर सीख एक चिराग है, समावेश का हर पल है यादों का अनमोल इतिहास. So we will move further. Were there any fun or memorable moments during your induction program?
Yes sir, like there are many moments where we got a lot of fun. But one of the best moment that I want to quote here is when we went on the field visits. So when we went there, तो बस में हम बहुत अच्छे अच्छे गाने चला के बढ़िया सारे लोग enjoy करते थे, डांस करते थे. So that was the moment where we can't forget all over our life. So that was the biggest or the best moment for me.
और शायद से ही ये जो मेमोरीज है आपके लाइफ टाइम तक आपकी यादें बन के रह जाएंगी.
Yes sir.
So महिमा,
मैं एक्चुअली कुछ और बताने वाली थी फन मोमेंट, एंड व्हेन ही सेड कि बस में डांस वांस, तो मुझे एक मोमेंट याद है. मतलब वी ऑल वर डांसिंग एंड आई लिटरली फेल डाउन इन द बस. और मैं सिर्फ इसलिए उठ के बैठे हुई थी कि कोई मेरे ऊपर ना हंसे, उससे पहले मैं खुद के ऊपर हंस लेती. तो दिस वाज द फनीएस्ट मोमेंट दैट आई एनकाउंटर्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस फील्ड विजिट.
okay.
Yeah.
What about memorable moment?
मेमोरेबल मोमेंट इज लाइक जाके किसी रेंडमली किसी से बात करना, सामने वालों के बारे में जानना, उनकी लाइफ स्टोरी सुनना, किसी के ब्रेकअप्स हो रहे हो उसके बारे में सुनना, तो आई लाइक इट।
जैसे मैम ने कहा, तो हम लोगों को सर आफ्टर लंच, आफ्टर द ऑल द पीपीटीज एंड लेक्चर्स मॉर्निंग से इवनिंग तक, सो आफ्टर जो हम लोग शाम में बैठते हैं और गेम्स खेलते थे, तो वो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट था। एंड ऑल्सो द फील्ड ट्रिप्स में सर हमने बहुत इंजॉय किया है, अनऑफिशियली बहुत इंजॉय किया है। सो इट वाज अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस, गेटिंग टुगेदर, नो सबको एक साथ जानना, एक साथ टहलना, सब इट वाज अमेजिंग।
That's such a wholesome moments for you guys. But शायन in between आपने महिमा को मैम बोला, तो महिमा आपको क्या एक सीनियर की तरह आपको ट्रीट करती है?
No sir, as a tone of respect, she is also an officer, I'm an officer, so I'm giving her respect. Also as we are family हैं, तो मैम को रिस्पेक्ट के लिए, so as a महिमा मैम।
That's great.
You can even call me ma'am. I never told him to call me ma'am.
Yeah. So could you share your experience about recent field visit to various HPCL's locations? Yeah, Mahima, can you?
Actually, it will be very politically incorrect to say it, but still I'll say. Actually, I was the group leader, so we were having the strict instruction कि तुमको रुकना नहीं है. So one of my group leader, he was sticking to it, and I'm like happy-go-lucky, do whatever you want to do. तो he told me कि तुम लोग नहीं रुक सकते हो. 2-4 लोग अगेंस्ट में थे जो हर बैच में होते हैं. वो लोग मना कर रहे थे कि नहीं जाना नहीं जाना. मेरा ग्रुप लीडर मुझे कॉल कर रहा है. आई वाज आल्सो द लीडर, और वो मुझे पीछे सामने से ऐसे बुला रहा है, और मैं उसे ऐसे बाय ऐसे करके बाकी सारे बच्चों को लेके चली गई हूँ. तो that was.
What about you, Himanshu?
सर बेसिकली बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स आए फील्ड विजिट्स पे जहाँ हमने बहुत मजे किए, बट HPMDI दैट इज द ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ HPCL, वहाँ पे सर हमने बहुत मसाज चेयर्स थी जहाँ पे हमने मसाज ली. उसके चक्कर में लेट भी हुए हम, लेकिन बहुत मजा आया वहाँ पे. ऑल्सो बैडमिंटन भी खेला. ऑल्सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हम VR, AR, मेटावर्स इन सब का एक्सपीरियंस ले पाए. तो दैट वाज द मोमेंट जो फील्ड विजिट में हमने काफ़ी इंजॉय किया, एंड दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट टेक अवे फॉर अस एंड बेस्ट ट्रिप HPMDI.
इवन मसाज चेयर के लिए तो सब लड़ भी रहे थे आपस में कि मैं
We are waiting for 10 minutes कि now it's my turn.
और लोग उठ नहीं रहे थे उस पे.
निगड़ी वाला मसाज.
निगड़ी वाला, या.
HPMDI जो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट, जो हमने मजा किया इसमें, जो हमने वर्चुअल रियलिटी खेली है, मेटावर्स भी गए, मसाज चेयर्स हैं, ऑल्सो बॉक्सिंग, एंड देयर वाज अ ट्रेडमिल आल्सो. सो बहुत ही अच्छा.
और सर हमने तो ये सुना है कि हर 2 साल में ऑफिसर को जाने का मौका मिलता है वहाँ पे, तो विशिंग कि जल्दी वो टाइम आए कि जब हम वहाँ जा पाए.
1 साल में 2 बार.
1 साल में 2 बार.
ज़्यादा.
What message would you give to next batch of officers?
So basically I want to give a very short message that enjoy these 14 days of Samavesh. So whatever time you will be here going to field visits, you will make connections, and those connections make you a different person. Like we are here from different cultures, different places, so this will help you throughout your journey and throughout your career at HPCL.
पहली बात तो जो समावेश में आने के लिए रेडी हो रहे हैं थ्रू CBT एंड ऑल, अभी थोड़ा सीरियस हो जाते हैं, उनको सीरियस एडवाइस दे देती हूँ कि भाई तुमको CBT में कितने भी आए. बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं ना CBT में जस्ट कट ऑफ क्लियर होता है, वो ये सोच के जाते हैं कि नहीं होगा हमारा. तो आई फील कि कट ऑफ पे भी देखा मैंने लोगों का होते हुए, बी वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर इंटरव्यू एंड एवरीवेयर, सो यू विल मेक इट इवेंचुअली. फेलियर्स ठीक है, आते हैं, होता रहता है, बट you will make it in first, second, third attempt anyways. And about समावेश, भाई जगह बहुत अच्छी है, इतनी हरियाली है, पहाड़ में आ रहे हो यार, करो एंजॉय.
Even मेरा भी कट ऑफ पे क्लियर हुआ था.
Look at him. I was right.
My message is मेहनत करो, CBT से दो, इंटरव्यू में अपना बेस्ट परफॉर्म करो, और फिर जब समावेश में आओ तो इसको फुल्ली एंजॉय करो, क्योंकि ये दोबारा नहीं आने वाला. ये पूरी कैरियर में सिर्फ एक बार आएगा, जिंदगी में एक बार आएगा, तो दोबारा कभी नहीं आने वाला.
और HP's Got Talent तुमको बहुत मौका देगी जो तुम बाथरूम सिंगर्स हो जाने का.
So before we wrap up, one last question for each of you. One word about HPCL and Samavesh.
A best company to come here, and Samavesh was super.
Ever ready, full of energy, तड़का भड़का.
अपॉर्चुनिटी, ग्रोथ और प्लेटफॉर्म अपने स्किल्स को दिखाने के लिए.
Okay.
जो शायरी आप किताबों में लिखते हैं वो आपको स्टेज पे पढ़ना है. अब
अभी आप लोगों से बातें करके इतना दिल लग गया, तो ऐसा मन नहीं कर रहा कि ये एपिसोड खत्म हो जाए. लास्टली शायद हम आपकी तरफ से एक शायरी सुनना चाहते हैं.
ये शायरी मैंने HPCL के लिए लिखी है. नया जोश, नई उड़ान, सपनों की नई राह होगी, HPCL के संग हर नई सुबह कामयाबी की गवाह होगी.
बढ़िया, क्या बात. So, guys, we will wrap up. Thank you for sharing your thoughts, journey, and your experience with us today in this special episode of HP Unplugged Frontliners. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Yogesh.
Thank you, Yogesh.
That concludes this special episode of HP Unplugged Frontliners. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories from the people who make HPCL what it is today. Until next time, take care and keep fueling the future. Jai Hind.